If some keys on a laptop keyboard are not working, there could be several possible causes ranging from software glitches to hardware issues. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, check for physical issues. Inspect the keyboard for dust or debris. Dirt or crumbs can block the keys. So firstly, turn off the laptop, gently tilt the laptop and tap it to dislodge debris. Use compressed air to clean between the keys. Avoid using liquid unless the keyboard is designed to be water resistant. Then, if the keyboard is physically damaged, example liquid spill or broken keys, it might require replacement. Then, if none of this has happened, then restart your laptop. A simple restart solves temporary glitches. If none of the solution works, the keyboard might have a hardware fault. If you are comfortable opening your laptop, you can check the keyboard's ribbon cable connection to the motherboard. This might have some common loose. Or if the keyboard is physically damaged or defective, replace it. Many repair shops offer affordable replacement. By systematically testing this solution, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue with the laptop keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.